Hello everyone, in this tutorial video let's learn how to import your custom indicators into Fintechee. You can code your own custom indicators and then import the indicators into this system. They are not built-in indicators, so you need to import your own custom indicator. Actually, we have provided a lot of custom indicators in our GitHub repository. You can get them for free there. The repository's name is Expert Advisor Studio. In this example, we will try to import Fintechee Crypto Loader. This is an indicator plugin and it can load a specific cryptocurrencies, streaming quotes and historical data. So it's very useful for crypto world. Let's see how to import this indicator. First of all, we need to copy it and then go to our menu bar. And choose this menu item, console, and then paste the source code here, click Run button. Okay, it's done and we have made the new custom indicator listed in the indicators list. You can see it's there and after that we can run it just by clicking Add an indicator. You can find it in the list now. And then click the Add an indicator button now. It's loaded and added to the chart. But the symbol's name is still USD. We need to change it to Bitcoin and Ether. Click the Change button. Now you can see the chart changed, right? Ether, Bitcoin's data are loaded. It's running. Okay, so very simple. Hopefully it can be helpful to your trading. Happy trading every day. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.